Ready, set, saute. Students from elementary schools around the district participated in the Sodexo's Future Chefs National Challenge. The student chefs had 1 hour to prepare dishes for judges to critique. This year's culinary theme was Asian fusion. These budding chefs chopped, stirred, and plated their way through the competition in hopes to take the top prize of a new set of cookware, a bike, and a Fitbit. Executive Chef Todd Janetta explains the value of this competition.
One, to work in a kitchen, you got to be disciplined, you got to be clean, you got to follow a recipe because you want to get the same taste every single time you make it. So it's good for character, a little bit of discipline.
The culinary creations were critiqued on originality, ease of preparation, healthiness, plated appearance, and of course taste. There was a variety of dishes including lettuce wraps, tacos, pad thai, and much more. The top 3 winners were announced, and Alex Gould of the Classical Academy came out on top with his rendition of sesame tofu on rice. Alex tells us what he's going to do with the new cookware he won.
We're probably going to have to get rid of some of the old ones.
Alex's recipe will now be submitted for review by Sodexo. If he's in the nation's top 10, he will make a video of his creations for the nation to vote on. Congratulations to all contestants, and good luck, Alex.